Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making cassava leaf. So here's the cassava leaf. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, so it's like $9.99. Just says about $9 for cassava leaf. Also, you can have 1 pack to 3 pack or 4 based on your family size. So I'm gonna add a little bit of okra in it. You don't have to put okra, but I'm just putting it there to give a little kick, a little flavor. This one is not the slimy one, so I'm gonna do that. Here I have is the onions, and then underneath is a bone peeling because I'm on my green, so I'm doing my green dish. So it's a bone peeling, my onion, and this is cilantro, a little bit of water, and then I should go here. This is my meat. You can choose any kind of meat, chicken, fish, turkey, whatever you want. And here I got dry chicken. I got cow skin. I got bony. I got beef, neck bone. Anything you want, you can have in your soup and stuff like that. And here, if you're not a big person of a bunch of meat, if you want little meat or whatever, but I like a lot of meat, it based on whatever you like. For my seasoning, I have this. So this is like jalapeno pepper. It's really spicy. You just put a little bit in there. If you like spice, fine. If you don't, you don't. This is my seasoning. And that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to put it in here and just blend it. Everybody cook their food differently. You know, you don't have to do what I do. I just put that in there. This is a Vitamix. So all this is gonna like grind up into little pieces and stuff like that. This is also a gift from me. Somebody gave me this, so I really appreciate it. You know, so you can put water in it. You can put your mixed vegetables. For me, I already prep everything. So I blend my onion, my pepper, make sure it's plugged in, as you can see. And then you turn it off.